Been counting all your aces, you ain't winning. Your phone book full of numbers, staring names. All them vain decisions keep you jaded. You could have found the one, but you won't change. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? Aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think...
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to ARK, and this is the finished build video for the electric bike here. As you can see, it is 100% finished. Last video was building the battery for it. Now that that's in, got this side all closed up, and it's actually, I've been driving it quite a bit. As you can see right here, I've put 281 miles on it so far, and so far I have not had any major problems with this kit. If anyone is thinking of ordering the same kit, there's the brand right there on the hub motor. I would highly recommend this for the price and the performance it gives you. The only main problem I had with this actually was the bullet connectors that go from the motor controller inside this box to the wheel. There's bullet connectors that connect to the motor wire, and they have really cheap insulation on them, and so I took those off because they actually melted on me and started arcing in there. But once I fixed that, I have not had any more problems with this kit. As I said, I've gone 281 miles. That's quite a few miles on it so far, and the performance has been pretty crazy. So the bike will actually go about 30 miles an hour on a flat paved road. Going up a hill, you'll get around 20 to 25-ish, and going down a hill, I've gotten up to 37, usually about 35 miles an hour. So bike is crazy fast, faster than it should be probably. And as far as range is concerned, I can get, with no pedaling at all, I can get 12 miles on one charge with no problem at all. If you want to see the exact battery that I built for this bike, just check out my past video. You can see exactly how I built it, what cells I used and all of that if you want to replicate it. And with this kit, which is a 1,000-watt rear wheel hub motor, you can expect to get about 12 miles of range with no pedaling. So overall, very impressed with the bike so far. And I would recommend this kit to anyone who's trying to build an electric bike themselves. As always, make sure to go watch the build videos on this so you can see how to build it yourself. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.